everyone. So, if you're like me, you probably thought about starting a food business, which is really cool. But apparently, it's also incredibly logistically complicated. Let's look at the simplest type of food business, a push cart, where you're just selling on the street. One of the biggest problems push cart vendors face is transporting the cart. You got this big whole thing that you have to haul around. It's really hard to do that. So, ProtoRad Manufacturing is going to come in and create a push cart for food vendors that collapses and can fit in the back of a simple car. It's going to fold up like Optimus Prime and allow street vendors to allow street vending to be more accessible than ever. I started a company called Totally Rad Pretzels, where I sold pretzels on the street, and I used and built this exact prototype, and it's been working for me pretty well. So I'm looking to make the design so much better and make the mechanics super cool. And if you'd like to join me on this, vote for ProtoRad Manufacturing.